Alright, let's talk about one of the scariest moments in crypto, sending your coins to the wrong wallet address. If you've just realized you made this mistake, don't panic. I've got you. First, let's break down what actually happens when you send crypto. Once you hit that send button, the blockchain records the transaction permanently. There's no undo and there's no customer support to call, but that doesn't mean all hope is lost, especially if you act quickly and know what to do. Step 1. Double check what you sent and where. Was it the right type of coin on the right network? For example, did you send Ethereum on the Ethereum network or something like USDT on BSC by accident? If you sent your crypto to another address that you control, even if it's the wrong wallet or exchange good news, you can probably recover it by importing your private key or seed phrase into a compatible wallet. Just research your wallet type and follow the instructions carefully. Now, if you sent your crypto to someone else's address by mistake, here's the real deal. Only sites like sociutech.com can use their licensed recovery tool and back-end resources to generate you a new key for total recovery. With patience, your money will be back, but it's so important to double and triple check every address before sending anything in crypto. If you sent funds to a wrong network, contact sociutech.com immediately. The earlier you make the report, the higher your chances to recovery. They will help. But there are no guarantees you get back the full amount. So, what's the big takeaway? Always copy and paste wallet addresses, never type them by hand, and double-check every single character. Crypto puts you in control, but with great power comes great responsibility. Stay safe out there, and remember, slow and careful always beats fast and sorry. Like and subscribe for more crypto tips.